Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, I've clearly explained you that there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, after that there is a fall comes. Okay, if you look at this particular trend of gold, there is clearly pattern showing that whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall come. Similarly, if you look at this particular trend, I have shown you that see all these levels we have seen a good fall, and similarly this is the pattern where again a fall we have seen because it has already made a new high. Looking at the pattern what we have seen, see this is the U pattern formed. After that similar patterns are being formed, and this pattern is being repeated since Jan of 24. Okay, after this pattern breakout happens, and that is where it made a new high. Okay, and after that a fall has come. After that it came again. After that this pattern has formed, and then again a downfall has come. Okay, and this is the zone, and then after that again it made a new high, continuously made a new high, and after making a high of around $2,784 it came down. Okay, and now from 2 weeks it is continuously down. What we have seen, the result has already come for the election. Okay, and the dollar continuously moving upside and making a strengthened thing. Okay, so probability was very high it can go further down, but if the price started falling again below a level of around 24,660, then we can see it will move in this zone. As soon as this breakout will happen, it will come in this zone. Probability is high it can come down if the price started touching this level 2454, and from there a bounce back can come, or if it started falling below this level, this will be in this range. Okay, and if you look dollar index, you will clearly know that there is a continuous upside we have seen. I have clearly mentioned that 102 level is a strong level. So if the price started going above a level of 102, there will be a further upside, but if the price started going below a level of 102, we can see a further downfall. Okay, the price has already moved above a level of 107 and keeps a level of 107, now trading at a level of 106.5, and chances can be high a further upside movement we can see because it has moved out of a big zone. You can see after we have seen in October 23 this level has come, so we can see the dollar index can go further upside, and from there it will go towards 108, and this level we have seen in November of 22, so further upside we can see. So if dollar index started going upside, we can see the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. Okay, so you have to understand this is a strong level. Now a level of around 105.4 is a strong level, so we can see if it started coming this level, we can see a bounce back, and then it can fall. Okay, and then a further downfall we can see. Coming back on the gold price, we can see clearly there will be an upside movement. If the price keeps sustaining this level, we can see it can go further high towards a level of around $2588. If the price sustain above this level, we can see it can go to 2588, and from there a further upside we can see towards 2625. Okay, suppose if the price moving above that level, we can see it will go further upside, and from there a level of 2659 we can see, and if that sustain a further upside we can see towards a level of 2673. Suppose the price moving above that particular level, a probability of going towards 2683 will be there, and this level is already being tested, and chances are very high it will go towards a level of $2720. Okay, you have to understand as soon as the price started going above a level of 2683, probability of crossing a level of 2720 will be there, and from there a level of 2724, and once the price started going up this level, we can see a level of $2751, and from there a level of around 2761. Okay, and if the price moving over that level, a further upside we can see, and it can make a new high. But you have to understand, keep trailing your SL by $5 or $7 so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. This is what best you can do. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high it will go further down till the level of around 2455, and from there a bounce back can come. So you have to keep this in mind that chances are very high it can touch a level of 2455, and from there a bounce back can come, then it can go further upside. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards its next level at a level of 2540, and from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 2527. Suppose if the price falling below that particular level, we can see it will go further down after falling a level of 2734 to a level of 2527, and from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2483. You have to understand as soon as the price started going out of the zone, we can see it will fall towards 2537 to a level of 2510, and from there a level of 2486. Okay, and then a level of 2483. Once the price started going below that particular level, chance of touching 2452 will be there, which I have told you a bounce back can come. But if started falling below this level, we can see a level of 2418 to a level of below a level of 2400, and then further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.